Hello, today tutorial in English to explain the function frequency. The goal of this function is to calculate how often a value occurs with a range of value. So here we have on column A, name, B, amount, minimum 9,000, and here's maximum. The range of value from 10,000 till 80,000, and we like to calculate the frequency. So the function necessitates exactly two parameters. First one equal frequency, open the bracket, and the data area is all the information concerning the amounts, semicolon, and second parameters, you need to take all the value just here. Close the bracket, enter, and here you can see the frequency of between range value. You see, if you change, for example, I took this value here, I say it's only for $5,000. Okay, you can see from two. If second one put 7,000, we'll go directly to 3 over here. So it's possible to change with conditional formatting to highlight all the information with data bar like this. And okay, for example, you can take this one and that will give you a highlight of value with small graph. Thank you. It's okay for today.